We are REDT. We provide the best solutions for your engraving, cutting, and laser marking needs. Today, we will utilize the brass mold cutter IMP-C1 to create a brass mold. We fix the brass piece to be cut onto the work table of the IMP-C1. Using the dedicated design software MagicEngrave, we create the design for the brass piece to be cut. Once the design is completed, we generate the toolpath for the design drawing and transmit the cutting data to the connected IMP-C1 for engraving. I have created a square to match the size of the small brass piece placed on the work table. I position the toolpath of the design drawing to match the size of the small brass piece. After processing the rough shape of the brass piece using the chamfering end mill, let's proceed with the precision cutting operation. We have completed the production of the brass mold through the video demonstration process shown earlier. We will now proceed with embossing using the hot stamping machine from Dream Factory. The process of securing the material. After preheating to the appropriate temperature, brass mold, leather embossing machine. Brass mold embossing machine IMP-C1. Visit www.redtinc.com for more information. To receive updates on our products, follow us on Instagram, Magic Engraver, and Facebook Magic, Jewelry Engraver. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, REDT Incorporated.